Hello everyone, first of all let's check the inspirational picture from Pinterest. Look at this table setting. Today I'm going to make the decoration like this. With the material I have, I will show you how to make this large flower arrangement and the small flower arrangement. And finally, I will put them together to make the table setting like this. For your information, the first 10 minutes to show you the whole procedure about how to make this large flower arrangement. If you are not interested, you can skip and start it for the small flower arrangement. But please don't skip the advertisement as supporting. Okay, now let's go. Okay, first of all, we need to prepare the flower arrangement. And I will use our plastic pedestal flower stand and use a floral foam. If you watch my old tutorial, you can find I make the flower arrangement normally like a round ball. But this time I will make the flower arrangement much more flat and wider. So I will cut the foam ball. Look, this is the original size of the foam, floral foam, very thick, and I will make it smaller, thin than normal because I want it flat. Okay, insert their spine on the stand so it can hold the floral foam. Okay, then I will use 2 lengths of the stand, so to make the flower vary in size. Look, this small stand and I will use the long stand. So we can get different lengths of the leaf. And about the stand, sometimes we need to bend according to different character of the leaf. We need to bend the stand so that actually, there's no rule about how to make it. Just follow your mind will be okay. Like this. The concept is firstly to make the lower layer of the flower arrangement with leaf. And then the next step is the flowers. The flower, we still want different lengths of the flower stem because we need to, you will check, you will know when you keep watching this tutorial. Okay, so we can make very length to make the design layer, so the come out will be much more nature. Okay, the following will be easy. Just follow your mind and keep adjusting your designs until satisfied. Will be okay. Keep adjusting your design, will be okay. Okay, finally, I will use our leaf wine. Also, put the stem on the leaf wine and insert two sides of the floral foam. Okay, look, it almost completed. Let's check the effect. But actually, it still looks like a ball here, so I need to adjust the flower arrangement to make it wider and not just a ball. Okay, completed. I adjust the flower. This is the effect, like this. And it's very strange that the effect checked from the screen will be not so pretty as reality. It's very strange. But anyway, this is the effect. Not much look like the ball shape. Actually, I'm not a professional to make the flower arrangement. So if you like the arrange like this, I'm sure you can make it much more pretty than what I make. So let's move on to make the smaller flower arrangement. Okay, making the small flower arrangement, I would like to use this slide. Very simple, just put the flower on the spine will be okay. Like this. Okay, completed like this. Okay, I make several more of this flower arrangement, and then let's set up the table. First of all, we need to put on the tablecloth. About the tablecloth, I recommend to use this cotton fabric. Very soft, a lot of color, and not easy to be creased. Look at this. I already hand washing this fabric, but look, let's check. Look at this. It's not creased a lot. So if you are making the event, using this type of fabric could help very easy to be clean, and just iron on it, you can make it flat. So very easy to washing. Okay, put on the tablecloth. Okay, my tablecloth actually not large enough, not long enough, so just look at this side will be okay to check the effect. Okay, after put on the tablecloth, let's put the flower we make on the middle of the table. And then let's put on our candle. I use 2 of the candle stand. This one will be easy to put on the candle, but this one may be not suitable for the real candle. For the LED candle, cannot hold it. So if you are using this stand, you can apply some hot glue or just some wax on it that it will hold it. I will use double face tape. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. And about the cutlery, I'm not sure if it's correct to put the cutlery like that, correct or not. But if I'm wrong, please comment to tell me so that I can improve. Now let's check the effect. Okay, let's zoom in to check the detail. Like this. We put several of the small flower arrangement on the table and use different top of the candle holder, so the light will come out very in heat, so the effect will be much more pretty. Now our flower arrangement and this side. Now we are sitting, let's check it like we are sitting in front of the table to check the effect. I don't light up the LED light because I don't have enough battery for the stick candle. But actually, the come out will be very pretty. Put some small candle around the table. It will be very pretty. Okay. Let's check it from this angle and from the top. It's very strange. The effect in reality will be much more pretty than what you check from the screen. It's very pretty. I cannot show you how. Okay, but anyway, this is today's tutorial. If you like our design and want to make the decoration like this, we supply all the material, almost all the material used on our video. If you're interested, you can inbox me via Facebook page. Find the link on below. Information field will be okay. Inbox me for the quotation. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. If you want to check the picture, you can link to my Facebook for the picture. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.